Hi, welcome to Productronica 2021. Here at the EPP booth, I'm glad to welcome Patrick O Callaghan, sales manager at Zierick. And Zierick, one of the exhibitors here at the fair.
Yes, we're exhibiting with our partner in Germany, Werner Wirth.
Okay.
So we're fortunate to have a long-term relationship with them over many years.
Cool, great. So you're focusing on high temperature connectors. And
Yes.
why are these high temperature connectors and products are needed in the marketplace?
Well, I think we can see all around us we're living in a different world over the last number of years. So I think everyone can appreciate you may be driving a vehicle that's powered by diesel technology today, but for sure you're thinking, hey, my next vehicle might be an e-car, or you will have something with mild hybrid technology that's using lithium batteries to power some ancillary devices in a vehicle. You may have an e-bike. We know that the global infrastructure for electricity is changing. We need better infrastructure to take solar and wind energy and distribute it amongst not only our own countries but our partner countries or countries that surround us.
So how was your high temperature connector product line developed?
Yes, so it's interesting. This product line was developed by Zierick in the last 20 or 30 years, even before that. So it's got a long history. But in the marketplace was telling us we need something that can handle higher temperatures, and we need something that will handle higher amperage, which means higher current going through it in a small footprint. So this is the product. What we're looking at here is a receptacle, and this receptacle now we are making from a new high temp material, and that allows us to really offer a performance advantage for these new types of applications that we are now facing and into the future as well.
Okay. So what's the target group that you're focusing on? Who might be interested in this product?
Well, we know for sure the automotive industry, as I mentioned earlier, should be interested in this, but also industrial electronics. So lots of industrial electronics applications. They will require higher power. They will use more current in smaller spaces. So designers are challenged to reduce the footprint of their products while pushing higher currents and powers through those platforms.
Okay. So that might be a growing demand for your product line.
Yes, I mean, that's the hope, and we hope that the marketplace will understand our products and also understand the requirements for everybody into the future.
Great. So thank you very much. Very interesting interview. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.